What's up, everybody?
What's up, everybody? Tech Dad HD here with my special guest, KHD. What are we doing today? We have a special unboxing and something to check out that this little guy has been wanting for some time now, right? Months. So he got something from his grandparents that he is really excited to share with you. He's getting it right now.
This.
Oh man. We are going to be checking this thing out. It's Bluetooth capability. It runs off your phone. If you have Android or iOS, you need to get that app. So we're going to show you how to do all that, how to unbox this thing, which you really don't know to know how to unbox it because you're just going to open the box anyways, right? Rip it open?
Yeah.
We're going to get into that, set this thing up, and show you how this thing works. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hey, everybody. What's that? You see this, guys? Star Wars D-O. Guys, guess what I found? It's a Star Wars D-O Droid. Maybe I can unbox it for the video. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this thing. Ooh. And this is kind of like Boxer. So it's like a ball with it to play with it. How to play with it is you have to connect the Bluetooth and get the app for it, and then it comes on.
So you got obviously the wheel that it goes on. This thing looks dirty. Why is it so dirty looking? Goodness.
Because remember when there was a Skywalker movie, it was all dirty and then it came online again?
Oh yeah, that's why. So they just gave us the dirty version.
Okay guys, so the next thing we have to do is download the app and connect it to your phone or your iPad. After you get that, you can, it comes on. Maybe it's charged already or we have to charge it. So we're going to show you how to do it right now.
So looking at this, we take all this stuff off. This is the box that it comes in. And what you can do with the Star Wars, this was the bottom of the box, top of the box. You can put that in the bottom.
That's so cool.
Right? You can make that your own little box there, right? Star Wars.
Dun, dun, dun.
Right? And then those parts and pieces of the droid go right on here.
There.
And then I said this will charge here.
Good droid.
We're going to be putting 2 AAA batteries in this next, plugging this thing in, and getting it connected to the iPad. So
Let's do this thing.
let's do it.
Actually, Daddy, wait. The iPad is
Dead. Oh, it's not true. That's impossible.
Search your feelings. You know it to be true.
When you just plug this thing in to charge, these lights up here will come on. And it will be fully charged when all 3 sets of these lights are fully lit up. So it's got a little bit of time to charge, but we're still gonna set this thing up and show you how it works.
how long will it charge?
I don't know, we'll find out though. Okay, so when you go to put the batteries in this, all you're gonna do is twist the ball, it's gonna unlock, and then you're going to be using a small Phillips head to take this out. So just unscrew,
Does it work?
it's working.
It worked!
Batteries, please.
Here's the batteries.
Batteries in. Put the cap back on. Tighten up the screw. Ooh, snap this thing back in. Alright. So this thing should be ready to turn on. So we are going to put it back on the station here. Get our iPad, get this thing set up with the app. Alright, so we typed in Star Wars Ultimate D-O. Here's the app right here. Go ahead and get that app. So what we just found out is to pair it with your iPad or iPhone, whatever phone you're using, is to not have it plugged in charging at the time. So we unplugged it and it works. So pick them up. We're gonna press this. The droid is connected.
Let's make him mad. That's when he's mad. This is when he's singing.
So you can actually
Make him move.
move the droid
That's cool.
all by yourself too. So right now we are controlling it with the iPad. Back, forward. You want to go right, you lean them. We're going to be hitting
Hot rod!
this hot rod button right here.
Don't do
5,
We're
4,
doomed.
3,
No.
2, 1. Hot rod! Whoa!
Wow, did you see that, guys? That was a really cool adventure we went with D-O. Well, I can't wait to play with this thing more. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. Subscribe, hit that like button, smash it. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.